Aura frames use a cloud-based system where photos are streamed directly from Aura's servers rather than being stored on the device itself. This architecture creates several potential points of failure in the photo delivery process. The photo delivery chain involves multiple components that can cause issues. Problems can originate from your home Wi-Fi network, the Aura mobile app, your smartphone or tablet, cloud storage services like iCloud, Aura's own servers, or even other family members who have been invited to share photos. Recent changes to Google's Photos API have created additional synchronization challenges. While Aura is actively working with Google to maintain the autosync feature, these API modifications have disrupted the seamless photo sharing experience that many users expect. Users commonly experience three main symptoms when their Aura frame encounters problems. Connectivity drops cause the frame to lose its internet connection, frame freezing makes the device unresponsive, and photos simply failing to load despite successful uploads through the app. Before troubleshooting connectivity issues, ensure you're uploading compatible file formats. Aura frames support JPEG, PNG, TIFF, BMP, and HEIC files, but animated GIFs are not supported and will cause upload failures. First, verify the upload process in your Aura Frame app. Open the app, select your frame, and tap Add Photos to check if the upload is working properly. Next, check photo permissions in your device settings. On iOS, go to Settings, Privacy Photos, then Aura, and ensure All Photos is selected. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Aura, then Permissions to grant storage access. Ensure your Wi-Fi connection is stable. Move your Aura frame closer to your router, restart both your router and the frame, and reconnect the frame to Wi-Fi using the Aura app. Force close and reopen the Aura app. Make sure both your device's operating system and the Aura app are updated to the latest versions. Restart your phone if necessary. If you're using iCloud, disable the Optimize iPhone Storage option. This setting can slow down photo uploads by keeping lower resolution versions on your device. If problems persist, try resetting your Aura frame. Unplug the frame from power for 10 seconds, then reconnect it. This can resolve many connectivity and loading issues. If all troubleshooting steps fail, contact Aura Customer Care for assistance. Have your frame model, app version, and a detailed description of the issue ready when you reach out.